What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning a song from Edith Piaf, La Vie en Rose. It's gonna sound something like this. Out of breath. Okay, before I carry on with teaching you this lesson, I want to tell you about a PDF that we created specifically for this class that has got all the details that you need, and you can get it visiting this link that is in the description. It's absolutely free. You can download the easy PDF and the more advanced one. We're going to be doing the intermediate version today, the easier version for the song. And it's going to have all the chord shapes, everything in that link that you can click on, some notes for the song, and even the chords in the harder key. Okay, so before we get going, this song is quite hard to play, but this is going to be an intermediate version, so it's not going to be that tough, but it's more for a beginner to intermediate player. Okay, so the first thing we need to understand about this song is it's in the key of C, the one that we're learning. And we need to learn some chord shapes. So the first chord shape that you need to know is a C chord. Okay, you probably know that. And then if you just take off your index finger, it's going to be a C major 7. Okay, so that's C, and just take off your index finger, and then it's a C major 7. Then you need your sixth shape. Now, your sixth chord shape is this one over here, which looks like this. First finger. Now, if you don't play any open strings, this shape can be moved anywhere to play 6 chords anywhere on the neck. But we're going to include our bottom string open to make it C6. Okay, so that's pinky. It's like an A minor chord, but then you just put the pinky down there on the 3rd fret. And you play from the 5th string down. Alright. Okay, then the next chord that you want to know is a C7 shape. So this is a 7th chord shape. Again, if you don't use the open strings, then this shape can be moved around. C, D7, F7. So it's just like a C chord, and you just put your pinky down there. Okay, the next chord that you need to know is a D minor 7. First finger bars the first 2 notes, and then the second finger goes over there. That's a D minor 7. The next chord is going to be a D7. Almost like a D minor 7, just one note that changes. Play from the 5th string or the 4th string. And then the next chord is a G7, first finger. Ah, beautiful chord. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you also want to know this song, maybe the minor 7 shape, which you can play like this on the 1st fret to get F minor. So wherever the root note is will be the name of the chord. But this is quite a tough chord. If you can't get it right, then don't worry about that. You can play an F major 7 like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4 just below the 3. And this we're going to use for the F. We're going to play an F major 7 instead of an F. You then can play your F minor like so, just barring on the 1st fret. But if you can't play an F minor like this, then you might want to just play the F instead of the F minor. Or you could play the F minor bar chord like so. Bar with the first finger, first fret. Make sure it's close to the frets, otherwise you're going to get dead notes and buzzing sounds. And then put the third and fourth finger on the third fret. So, okay, you can also play a seventh shape like this, and this is just an alternative way to play G7. Third fret, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. Make sure to mute the strings that you are not fretting so that you can move that shape up and down the neck. Okay, that's it for the chords. Now let's go through the different sections. If we open the PDF, we're going to open the PDF in C, and we're going to play through the different sections. So we'll start with this section, and we'll play the C. And just a gentle down strum for this. Hold me close and hold me fast, the magic spell you cast. This is La Vie and Rosie. You'll notice I'm playing the G7 without this finger. I sometimes like it, and then I just mute the fifth string. Okay. And then we go back to the D minor 7. When you kiss me and inside, and though I close my eyes, I see La Vie and Rosie. That is a difficult change to do, but you'll get used to it. See La Vie and Rosie. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart. A world, so faster change there, where roses bloom. And when you speak, now here you can play the F minor, or you can just stay on the F. But if you go to the F minor, you want to do this shape or this shape. When you speak, angels sing from above. D7, everyday words seems to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be La Vie and Rose. Oh, so that part, life will always be La Vie and Rose. You could sing it differently. You could go, life will always be La Vie and Rose. Have a nice day, guys, and please consider sharing this song with your friends. I would love it if you do that, and I would really appreciate it. It'll make my day. Have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye.